So hi guys, so welcome back again to our channel Code and Education. So in this video we're going to unbox this super product by Portronic, which is called Vayu, and it is a tire inflator, usually for females. So let's go with it. Just open it. Okay, so we are opening it. Okay. So it's a very good product, actually, for female drivers mostly, and it's a kind of new, not very generally used by men. Okay, so let's open it. Okay then. Oh gosh, unbelievable. It's incredible. Okay, see the beauty of it. Okay, so this is called Vayu. Amazing. Beautiful. See the look. It's amazing. It's by Portronics and portable tyre inflator. And बात करें इसके ब्रांड नेम के बारे में तो ये है Portronics का, मॉडल आईडी है Vayu एंड ब्लैक कलर में. एंड MRP की अगर बात करें तो दिस इज 3500 with manufacturing import. Okay, so let's open it. That's all for it. Okay. So let's see. Oh gosh, beautiful. Okay, so these are the specifications, I guess. Oh, it's a okay, it's a cables and it's their equipment. Okay, so we will not touch it. Okay, so oh gosh, beautiful. So let's open. Oh wow, it's magnificent. Look, amazing look. Just see the looks. It's beautiful. And these are the buttons, I think, for pressure. And this is the button, I guess. Oh, let's see, it's open. Okay, wow. Okay, from here this thing it does, and from here the pressure of air comes. Okay, so बात करें इसके features के बारे में. So what happens is it auto tracks and sets pressure. That's good thing, and it contains 4000 mAh durable battery. That's also great. And it's a portable air filling gadget. That's amazing. If you're going on a hiking or somewhere for a long drive, this is a great product. And multiple nozzles for multitasking. Okay, so you can fill it in the ball and the cycles tires and the bike tires, or in the car tires, etc. And it's amazing. I think it's very pocket size, I guess. Okay, so function and features. So it's a 50-watt power and 150 psi max pressure, 7.4 voltage, LED light. Here it is given, and it is a power switch, power display. Okay, so it is a LED light switch, increased pressure, see the lights. Amazing. Wow. Okay, build and model switch, super fast inflation, and the digital display with LED feature. Just features, I guess. It's amazing. As you can see, the pressure is going to increase. Oh, that's how it works. That's scary. Okay, so it contains 4 intelligent modes: bicycle mode, ball mode, motorcycle mode, and car mode. So it contains 4 modes. Okay, very nice. So that's with it. So that's with the video. So tell in the comment section how you like the video, and what about the product. Okay, then subscribe the button for this amazing videos. Up to then, thank you and bye bye.